to the edge of the earth, scream your name till the fire's gone. Freeze my lungs. Wanna drink till I don't feel the air, to run back to you and lay down. Make me yours.
Yeah, I've been walking 1,000 miles. The only thing on my mind is your name, giving me hope in a time where I'm hopeless. And I can't believe that you took that away. And lately conflicted, I'm addicted to these games we just play. Cause no matter how big your wardrobe, it just seems you won't change. And it's round and round and we go. You're living your life, but it's only a show. You're hitting the parties, you're hitting that drove, but it's only me that I truly know. Telling you stop, you're like, leave me alone. Calling me up when I'm on my phone, saying you're drunk and got no ride home. Is this really the way we have grown? I'm just sick of all these uncertainties of where this is headed. All these back and forth emotions, I don't think that we'll get it. But when the sky is full of fire and this earth is in peril, you're the only girl I'll follow to the edge of the world.
Wanna walk to the edge of the earth, scream your name. I could fuck with you for eternity, infinity. Turn on the lights on. I could be your lover, I could be the one for you and no one else at all. So
I gave you everything that I had. I was the pillars who made it collapse. Stuck in my brain, all these scars of your name. Got my heart in a chain, can't escape from the past. Taking it slow, but it happened so fast. Look in your eyes, I'm in love with your laugh. Hair down your face and I couldn't embrace. In a matter of seconds, my heart was intact. Now I'm left with these bits and pieces of what's us and could have been. Trapped inside these memories, or did I lock myself in? But for better or worse, but regardless it hurts to remember the tears that fell onto your shirt. That meant it was worth it, but you just deserted. To me it was worth to fight through the hurt. So enough with all of this, I guess I know where we stand. You lost the best thing that you're searching for, it was all in your hands. But when the sky is full of fire and all we have is the past, I hope you find that happiness you've been pretending to have.
wanna walk to the edge of the earth, scream your name till the fire's gone. Freeze my lungs. Wanna drink till I don't feel the air, to run back to you and lay down. Make me yours. Turn on the lights on. I could be your lover, I could be the one for you and no one else at all. So wanna walk to the edge of the earth.